Hi, Ayla. It is your turn to take care of our class pets. So let's take a look at your sim. I gave you little pigtails like in your profile picture. Now, I do have to let you know that Patches had to go to the vet, so she has a cone on right now, but she can actually still play with the laser pointer with the cone on. So, oh, and I think we can take the cone off soon too. She had to have a little tiny operation, but she's okay. There you go. Let's listen to you.
Oh, Granny! Renee! You wanna go away?
Oh, you know what? I think I should get Miss Clara to clean the litter box, because I can see it starting to stink. Oh, Rosie! She's trying to get your attention. Let's go over here. It's kind of dark in this corner. Okay. And maybe we can pick up Patches. Where is she running to? Uh-oh, she's scratching. Aww. Alright, Ayla, why don't we take Patches' cone off for her? Should Noah invite over classmate Lucas? I'm gonna say no right now, because we got a lot going on here. Okay, let's put Patches down and take her cone off. Because I don't think that thing is very comfortable. Patches! Hey, there we go. Okay, and then with Rosie, you wanted to get her to play dead. So we're going to come back in the living room and call Rosie over. Well, there she is. And let's come over here. Okay, and then we're going to get her to play dead. Ready? Oh, that's my favorite. So cute. All right, Ayla, thank you so much for taking care of our class pets. Great job, cutie.